Today I am going to teach you how to add a fantasy look for this picture using the Picsart mobile app. Open the Picsart mobile app. Choose the transparent background. First go to Sticker. Turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Choose the black color grass. Adjust the size to fit. Pick the photo. Go to Eraser and select the person. Now let's fix the shortcomings. Next go to Adjust. Brightness to -100. Contrast to +100. Saturation to -100. Highlights and shadows to -100. Go back to Adjust, and repeat the previous edits. Adjust the size to fit. Go to Fit. Select this image to background. Choose a suitable aspect ratio. Now go to Effects. Select the artistic mirror and follow the steps. Again go to Effects. Select the blur effect and follow the steps. Now go to Sticker to add water effect. Select this sticker. Let's edit it to fit this picture. Go to Blend and select the overlay. Look the final result. Goodbye guys, see you again in another video like this.